5 years' time.
It's called Katrina. Katrina at 5 is what it's called.
So from the Hurricane Katrina to the BP oil spill.
And well, the thing is
with the
that
Super Bowl in the middle.
the thing is that you know, after I pretty much said all I needed to say about Katrina.
Right.
You know, after 3 years.
What has happened down here is the wind had changed. Clouds roll in from the north and it started to rain. Rained real hard and rained for a real long time. 6 feet of water in the streets of Evangeline. River rolls all day, river rolls all night. Some people got lost in the flood. Some people got away all right. River has busted through, cleared down the Plaquemine. 6 feet of water in the streets of Evangeline. Louisiana, Louisiana, they're trying to wash us away. They're trying to wash us away.
When the Saints went to the Super Bowl, it seemed like the logical end of the story. You know, the improbable had happened, hell had frozen over, pigs had flown, men had paraded down Poydras and dresses a la Buddy D. And we won the Super Bowl, and it was like the city was so ecstatic that we turned a corner. That's where the story should have ended. And then 7 weeks later, the rig blew up, and it was like deja vu all over again. And so, you know, and I'm not the only one to make that correlation, that I had to come back and document the oil spill because it was all related. You know, we couldn't even enjoy the fruits of a Super Bowl win for very long because suddenly we had this new man-made disaster happening. So it was logical to end the slideshow with images of the oil spill.
said this, but the city felt like it was back at the Super Bowl.
Yeah, in the
Which sort of
winter of 2010 and February 2010, it felt like we turned the corner. So it felt good, and then, the rig blew up and all hell broke loose again.